If your Nintendo Switch is not charging, you're not alone. This is one of the most common issues Switch owners face. In this video, we'll go through the real, proven reasons why a Nintendo Switch stops charging, what you should check first, and when the issue goes beyond a simple fix and requires professional repair or Nintendo support. Number 1. Incorrect or faulty charger. One of the most frequent reasons a Nintendo Switch does not charge is the charger itself. Nintendo officially recommends using the Nintendo Switch AC adapter model HAC002. The Switch relies on specific USB-C power delivery standards, and many third-party chargers do not supply power in the way the Switch expects. When this happens, the console may charge extremely slowly or not at all. Number 2. Charging port dirt. The USB-C charging port on the Nintendo Switch is vulnerable to dust, lint, and debris, especially if the console is frequently docked or carried in a bag. Even a small amount of buildup can block the charging pins from making proper contact. In more serious cases, the internal pins inside the port can become bent or damaged, often from forcing the cable in at an angle. When this happens, the Switch may only charge intermittently or stop charging altogether. Number 3. Dock-related problems. If your Nintendo Switch charges directly with a cable but not when placed in the dock itself may be the problem. Faulty dock connections, damaged internal circuits, or incorrect cable order setup can prevent power from reaching the console. Nintendo recommends connecting the dock cables in a specific order. First the AC adapter to the dock, then HDMI, and finally the power outlet. Number 4. Software freeze. Sometimes the Nintendo Switch is actually charging, but a software issue prevents the screen from displaying the charging icon. This usually happens after the battery has been completely drained or if the system freezes. In these cases, the console may appear dead even though it is receiving power. Nintendo confirms that performing a hard reset by holding the power button for 15 to 20 seconds can restore normal charging behavior once the system restarts. Number 5. Battery depletion. If the Switch battery has been completely drained and left unused for a long time, it may take 30 minutes or more before the charging icon appears. This is normal behavior. However, if the battery is old or degraded, it may no longer hold a charge properly. Signs of battery failure include rapid draining, sudden shutdowns, or the console only working while plugged in. Number 6. Internal hardware issues. When none of the basic troubleshooting steps work, the problem may be internal. Known hardware causes include failure of the charging IC, damaged battery connectors, or liquid damage to the motherboard. These issues cannot be fixed through software resets or cable changes and require professional repair. Attempting DIY motherboard repairs without experience can permanently damage the console.